In Ndebele, the question, what is this, is kuyini lokhu. Okay, so that's how you ask the question. So let me teach you how to answer it in this lesson. All right, let's start with this. We call it ibhokisi ngesindebele. So if someone asked you, what is this kuyini lokhu? Your answer would be leli libhokisi. This is a box. All right. And then a stone is called ilitshe. If you wanted to say this is a stone, leli lilitshe. All right. And then we have here isaga. Okay. So similarly, if you wanted to say this is a sack, you would be like leli lisaga. All right. Now we have this, which we call indichi, a dish, right? Indichi. So this is a dish. Leyi indichi. Leyi indichi. All right. Moving on. Soap is called isepa in Ndebele. And leyi sepa. This is soap. Ifolokwe, the fork, you're going to say leyi folokwe if someone asks you kuyini lokho. Remember, the question is what? Kuyini lokho. Right. And then we have the brick. One brick is called isitina. Okay? So, lesi isitina is how you say this is a brick. Okay? Lesi isitina. And then we have here isitofu. Isitofu. So you're going to say lesi isitofu. This is a stove. All right. And then this one, we call it isigubu. Okay? And if you want to say this is a bottle, or rather a what? A gallon. Okay, this type of container, you are going to say lesi isigubu. Lesi isigubu. Okay, so you'll notice that we used lesi with some of the words, and then we used leli, and we used lei sometimes. All right, so as a beginner, I need you not to worry so much about that. Okay, I need you to learn the words one by one. It's enough if you know that a sack is called isaga in Ndebele, and if you know that you are supposed to say leli lisaga. For now, it's enough. And then as you progress, you're going to learn the classes of the words and why we use them the way we do, right? Why we say lesi sometimes and why we say leli. But for now, just learn the words, just learn how to refer to them, and you're good. Okay, so see you next time.